Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract what they desire, while others struggle? The secret lies in energy alignment. In this video, we'll explore how to align your energy to attract what you want and unlock the flow of abundance in your life. Energy alignment means matching your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the frequency of what you desire. When your energy is aligned, you naturally attract opportunities, people, and experiences that resonate with your goals. It's not just about wanting something, it's about becoming a vibrational match for it. The first step to aligning your energy is getting clear on what you truly want. Vague desires create vague results. Write down your goals with as much detail as possible. Be specific about what you want and why you want it. Clarity focuses your energy and gives the universe a clear signal of what to bring into your life. Next, align your thoughts. Your thoughts create your reality, so focus on beliefs that support your desires. Replace doubts like, "I don't think I can do this," with affirmations like, "I am capable of achieving this." Positive thoughts shift your vibration and keep you aligned with your goals. Emotion is the key to energy alignment. How would you feel if your desire was already yours? Would you feel joy, excitement, or peace? Tap into those feelings now, even before your manifestation arrives. Emotions act like a magnet, drawing experiences that match your energy. Energy alignment isn't just about thoughts and emotions, it's about action too. Take inspired steps that align with your desires. Even small actions show the universe that you're ready to receive. When you act in alignment, you create momentum and open doors for opportunities. Aligning your energy is a powerful way to attract what you want. Resistance blocks the flow of energy. This can come from fear, doubt, or overthinking how your manifestation will happen. Practice mindfulness to release resistance and trust the process. Let go of the need to control every detail and focus on staying in a positive, receptive state. When you align your energy, you feel more confident, motivated, and in flow with life. You'll notice synchronicities, opportunities, and people showing up to support your journey. Alignment isn't about perfection. It's about consistently choosing thoughts, feelings, and actions that support your desires. Aligning your energy is a powerful way to attract what you want. By focusing your thoughts, feeling the emotions, taking inspired action, and releasing resistance, you become a magnet for your dreams. Start aligning your energy today and watch how your life begins to transform. Ready to align your energy and attract what you want? Subscribe to our channel for more tips on manifestation, mindset, and creating the life you desire. Let us know in the comments what you're manifesting. Click the link below this video for more help with attracting what you want.